Welcome to our lesson on constructing perpendicular lines. Today, you will learn how to draw a line that is perfectly perpendicular to another line, starting from a point that is not on the line itself. Our main objective is to learn the classical geometric construction for creating a line that passes through a specific point and is perfectly perpendicular to another given line. This means the two lines will intersect at a 90-degree angle, also known as a right angle. For this construction, you will not need any complex measuring devices. All that is required are two basic tools: a compass for drawing arcs and circles and a straightedge for drawing straight lines. First, let's set up our workspace. Begin by drawing a single straight line, which we will call line L. Above this line, mark a single dot. This will be our external point, which we will call point P. Now, take your compass and place the needle point firmly on point P. Open the compass wide enough so that you can draw a large arc that intersects line L in two separate places. We will label these intersection points as A and B. Without changing the width of your compass, move the needle from point P to one of the new intersection points, point A. From there, swing a new arc below line L. Next, again keeping the compass at the same width, move the needle to the other intersection point, point B. Swing another arc from point B. Making sure it crosses the arc you just drew from point A, we will call this new intersection point C. For the final step, take your straightedge and carefully align it with the original point P and the new intersection point you created. Point C. Draw a straight line connecting these 2 points. And there you have it. The line you have just drawn passes through point P and is perfectly perpendicular to your original line. L. The intersection forms a perfect 90-degree angle. You have successfully completed the construction. To summarize the process, first, from your external point, create 2 intersections on the line. Second, from one of those intersections, draw an arc below the line. Third, from the second intersection, draw another arc to create a new point. And fourth, connect your original point to the new point.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.